What's up guys, this is Iwata GS1 and this is Iwata Pro, a new version of Iwata lights. They are called pocket lights, which are unable to replace light panels, but ideal when you can't carry the weights. Let's see what's new here and try to compare it to previous versions. First off, the interface is pretty much the same with two wheels on the right, responsible for density and color temperature. Density goes from 5 to 100%, and color temperature from 26 to 1600 kelvins in small increment of 50 kelvins, which is 68 color settings to get a more of a range between cool and warm temperatures. Temperatures are pretty accurate and skin tones come out looking nice. Small LCD screen which has an auto rotation function and is very helpful in some circumstances. If comparing with previous versions, they also added one button on the top, which is sleep mode if short press, and turbo function if long press. Now let's talk about the diffuser field. There are 4 small pins in the corners of the light which the diffusion shields magnets attach to. The connection is a little bit weak, but the plate never falls off. What's cool is that these pins can be moved out a little bit, so you can even get a softer light. There is one more 1/4 inch screw on the left side, and what's super cool is that this light is now provided with this handle. You also get a ball head packed in a small case. This light is around 30% bigger and thicker than the previous versions GS and GL. But what about the battery? We set both of the lights at maximum latency and 5500 kelvins. Iwata Pro lasted a few more minutes longer than GL. But still, at maximum settings, the battery will only stand a bit more than 1 hour. Both of them get hot, but so far I haven't seen any deterioration. Iwata Pro has a massive output of 7500 lux, while GS only has 2800. It has an OK battery life, comes with a little diffuser, can be used both as key and fill light, so I think that's a great investment. And that's it for today. Leave a comment below what you think about this light, smash the like button, subscribe for the channel, and see you next time.